Watch this. Watch this. I'm about to go down this ramp with no hands. Watch. 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 Woo! Woo! No hands, Jesse. See that? No hands. Woo! Can't do that, Jesse. Can you? Can Jesse do that? I don't think so. Next to the Eiffel Tower. Some new postcards. I got the cathedral, which is not, by the way, the Colosseum. I got some really, really beautiful ones. I'll show you. I got that. I got Lago Garda, which is where I was yesterday. I got this really beautiful one of the Alps. I got the Italy map. I got Le Dolce Vita. I've got this Vespa one. I'm gonna sit down and I got some more too. Fill these out for you guys and put some gems in here. Every single one of you who's getting a postcard from now on, every one of you guys who's getting a postcard, you're getting inspiration, you're getting motivation. I'm putting my time and energy into writing good information here for you. You guys, I have written down about 10. I've put in my notes about 10 reasons why your life sucks. And when I say your life sucks, I mean, well, you clicked on this video, so there was for 2 reasons. You either think that your life sucks, or you just wanted to hear me talk. So I'm gonna refer to you like your life sucks. My life used to suck until I made it stop sucking. And I know so many reasons why I actually kind of hacked life. There's so many things that I do or don't do that I know put me so much, put me ahead of other people. life hacks, and it's like, well, if you're willing to do them, your life won't suck and you will be ahead of the crowd and you will live like the 1%. If you're willing to do these things, if you're willing to not be like everyone else. So I've made a list and I'm just going to run through it. I set a timer for 5 minutes because I actually don't want to speak too long. Straight to the point and concise. So let's just go ahead into 10 reasons why your life freaking sucks. Okay? So number 1, you spend so much time looking for the right person, for the right people to be in your life, instead of you focusing your time on becoming the right person. There's always something more you can fix about yourself. Instead of saying, I wish I had these friends, I wish I had this circle, I wish I had this man, I wish I had this girlfriend, how about you focus on being that amazing person someone is looking for, and people will seek you out. Men will seek you out. Women as friends, or whatever gender you are, whatever, people will seek you out when you become that person. Okay, you eat terribly. If you eat a horrible diet, you eat so much sugar, you don't take care of your body, you feed yourself fast food all the time and sugar, and you overeat and you eat at high frequencies, that will have a strong impact on your life. It really will. It will have a strong impact on your feelings, your emotions, literally at the chemical level, and also you're not taking care of yourself, so your life will definitely suck if you do not take care of your body 100%. You have no confidence. There is nothing that makes you have confidence. You've got to have it. A lot of people think, oh, when my hair is long, I'll have confidence, or when my skin is clear, I'll have. No. If you don't choose to have it, you will never have it. It's a choice. It is 100% a choice. You need to choose to have confidence and be confident, and will have a tidal wave, a tsunami effect on your life. Happened to me. You let your parents ruin you. What I mean by that is, a lot of families, we have these generational curses, and they just keep getting passed down from generation to generation to generation, and it's always got to be that one person to break that generational curse. Whatever it is, we could go on all day about what they could be, but whether your mom or your dad passed on to you some generational curses, you got to be the one to break that. Do not repeat the cycle and the mistakes of your parents, and don't let your parents ruin you. Yeah. Don't do drugs and don't drink. I know I am ahead of 90% of the population because I don't do either of those things. I do not smoke, and I never will smoke anything, and I do not drink alcohol. I did try alcohol like 3 times. Wine. I've never been drunk though, but I've always had it in Italy, because the Italian people, when you order food, they're like, you've got to have this wine with the. I don't even know if that was Italian accent. I'm in Italy right now, but maybe it was bad. But they're always saying you gotta have this wine with this drink or whatever. And I have tried it, but I was not interested. And I know, boy, if you could figure out how to not drink alcohol and not do drugs, when I tell you, you will be ahead. Do you want to be ahead of the population just by one simple thing? That's it. You will be ahead in life, and you will avoid so much trouble. My grandmother, may she rest in peace, just died from being drunk, and she fell down the steps. Absolutely tragic. But she struggled with alcohol her whole life. Amazing woman, but she could not get over that. And it's just better if you never start. You care what others think. I can't. Don't care what other people think. You're not kind. Yeah. I think that kind doesn't need an excuse. You don't need an excuse to be kind. I've had to learn that myself. You don't have to wait for other people to treat you right. You don't have to wait for the circumstances to be the way you want them to be. You should just be kind in general. I've actually started practicing just smiling, and it's been changing my life. Just walking around with a smile, and the way people react to me is amazing. And even the people who hate me, even people who try to bully me, I've been practicing kindness, and it's been changing my life. Just be kind, and you'll see how your life changes. Another reason is you love comfort. Yeah, my life is pretty amazing, but I want to tell you something. I'm never comfortable. Never. I'm always in. Every day is a hustle for me. Every day is a challenge. Every day comes with different, just being alone and traveling the world, there's different obstacles I have to face, and I gotta get up and get moving, otherwise my life will stay still and I'd be doing none of this. And I've grown to hate comfort. It's actually something I detest. If I ever find I'm getting comfortable, I'm like, oh my goodness, I gotta change this. Like I did with Netflix. I found myself watching Netflix all the time. I found myself literally every day watching Netflix, and I was like, this is literal cancer. Like I deleted my subscription right away, and I try to get my brothers to do it too. I don't really know if they did, but I'm like, Netflix is literally like, if you have time to sit and watch Netflix every day, then you just better be happy with your life. Like you just be, not even Jeff Bezos, the richest man on earth, sits and watches Netflix all day. He's hustling. And it's just like, I hope you have a perfect life if you have time to just sit and watch Netflix. Like it's like, to me now, it's like the laziest thing you could possibly do. Just lay and watch Netflix. It's just pure laziness and gluttony, because it's just like you're just taking in all this entertainment, like just lying like a cyborg and watching a screen. Like the laziest. We started as hunter-gatherers and we've evolved to people who lay in bed and just watch on demand. It's just, no, you should never be comfortable. You should always be thinking, should I make myself uncomfortable? As soon as I wake up these days, I get straight into a freezing cold shower, because I want to start my day with that discomfort, getting used to it, and just sitting in that and making my mind strong and being like, let's go get this day. Let's go get this. Let's go, right? Like, it's a good thing to be alive. Let me use this day to my advantage the whole day, okay? You're talking about Netflix? Okay. Another reason your life sucks. You hate pain and suffering. I've grown to love pain and suffering because I realize, wow, the results I get from this is always when I get the best results. When I get, like, for example, I've been working out. I'm like, you know what? I really want to get my body in shape. I've been working out. I've been busting my butt working out, and I've been getting results. And I'm like, yo, now I love the pain. Like when I'm working out and like my abs are hurting and my butt is hurting and my legs are hurting, like I love that now, because that's results. You're feeling weakness leave you. And whether pain and suffering in literal way or in just life in general, if I'm ever hurt by somebody or betrayed by somebody or somebody hurts me, I love that feeling now, because I'm like, this is my fuel. You know what I'm saying? I don't just sit in this. This is my fuel. This is what I'm burning to go. So like, if you hate pain and suffering, learn to love it, but not in a sadistic way. Learn to use it to your advantage. And I'm gonna say one more, because I've got a timer here. You let fear control you. There's nothing wrong with fear. Courage means that you know that on the other end of what you are scared of is greater than you sitting in that fear. So it's okay to be afraid. It's 100% okay to be afraid. Just don't let it control you. Just do it afraid. So if you're afraid to fly, it's okay. Just get in the plane and be afraid. Just shake in the plane. That's courage. Just say, I know I'm afraid of this. I'm just going to do it, right? I want to let you guys know about my postcard program, and I've changed it a little bit. So now I'm doing motivational postcards. So before I was just sending postcards to everyone who signed up. Now I'm like, I don't just want to put stupid messages on postcards. Now I'm sending you motivational postcards. So what will happen is I've got all these postcards, and every time I travel, I will send each of you, like if you sign up, you will get a total of like 70 postcards, but I will spread them out so you're just not hit with all these postcards. You'll get about 10 postcards a month from me from all over the world, whatever country I'm in. I'll sit down and write you a personal motivation. I don't know you personally, but there's broad lessons I learn all the time. And whatever lessons I'm learning, I will send you a motivational postcard from all over the world. So this is the one I got today, for example. I will write a motivational, something to get you going, something to fill you with fire and motivate you and help you, especially if you dream of traveling the world one day. And you can collect them now, so that if you have all of my postcards, you can like hang them up around your house or around your room to inspire you to come live this beautiful life, especially if you want to become a traveler one day. So if you want to sign up for my motivational postcard program, you can click the link down below and sign up. It's $25 one time. It's not a reoccurring fee. And I'll send you 10 motivational postcards from my travels around the world a month. So if you sign up for my postcard program, I will personally write you a little motivational lesson on the back of each postcard from all around the world, a way for me to encourage you, especially if you want to become a traveler, or if you have dreams to just be free and live freely and live amazing. I will encourage you through my postcard program. So it's $25, one-time fee of $25, and I will send you 10 postcards a month with my best advice and motivation to get you going. And I think it'll be really, really cool for you guys who dream to travel the world, or just don't like your life and you're just ready to be free and you're ready to live on the other side, which I think I am on the other side, which is just like freedom, and like you're in the wilderness and you're just living, you know?